I gonna put in the description, guys, on how I make this banana pancake, and it's very cheap only. And then you just only need a very tiny oil in the pan, and then put this one for 30 seconds, and then boom. Hello guys, so we're gonna cook our banana recipe with an egg, this one, chocolate, flour plain, and a little bit baking powder. And then dip one here, this one, that one here, one here, I think that one first, guys. This is the next batch. So nice. Yes, we're gonna make a very slow heat, guys. Do nice. So that's perfect, guys. Nice. Perfect. 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 24, 5, 26, 7, 8, 9, 30. Okay. This one here, guys. Like that. Like that. Look, that's perfect, guys. So this one just only 15 minutes, 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Nice. Wow, that's very nice, guys. Wow. So this is good, really. So I'm gonna put it like this here. And here. And then I'm gonna finish off all of this. Cool. This one, I'm gonna pop this out. Boom. Perfect. Boom. Perfect. So it's nice, guys. nice. Guys, so I think I'm gonna put it here like this. That. And then it's done. So we're gonna show you how I taste this one, guys. Look. Perfect banana pancake. I'm gonna dip in to the sugar, then milk. With the chocolate. So it's very delicious.